Hey, how's it going? Sonic 2 is coming up, and this is how to draw Sonic from Sonic 2. It's a very simple pose, and he's kind of like waving, shaking his fist or something like at the camera. Really cool pose. Huge Sonic fan. That's pretty much it. There's differences between this one and the animated Sonic. So this is more like the movie Sonic. Completely easy. So if you're brand new, you're gonna love this. So let's get started. Stay all the way to the very end for color. All right, let's go over and draw Sonic right here. Alrighty. So first thing I do is I'm gonna start with the same thing I do every time I draw Sonic. I'm gonna start with that center part of the eye right there where he's furrowing the eyebrows. So I'm gonna pull it up, pull it inward here. Pull here just a bit. I'm gonna pull up, curve. And over here on this side. Up, curve over here on this side. Line over here for the nose. It's like a cap line like that, pulling down. Looks like a bean or something, right? Like a bean. Curve over here and then fill that in. Line over here. We're gonna close that off. Line over here on this side, close off this side. And now you have the eyes there. You have that glasses shape, you know? Curve line here. Line over here on this side. And I'm gonna give a little bit of dark over here on this side, then a little bit of dark here on this side. Right on. Curve up, like a line there. We're doing really the one of the poster. I think I mentioned that already, but just to, in case it didn't come out. Gonna do a dark right here for the pupil and iris. Dark right here for the pupil and iris. Curve on this side. Curve on this side for the top of the snout. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. The stats say that 90% of people that are watching this are not subscribed yet. So hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. It basically lets you know when I post. I post 3 times every single day. So what it's gonna do is gonna show you the thumbnail on the feed when you're scrolling, through Instagram. I'm sorry, to YouTube. So before we complete the bottom of his mouth, I'm gonna have his hand over here. Oh, by the way, when you subscribe, let me know. Say, hey, I subscribed, and I'll reply to it. Thumb. Finger. 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 Right there. Line over here. Curve down for the back of the hand. Curve underneath, pull up. All right, we have his fist, right? Like he's shaking his fist at the screen. Line over here for a knuckle. Line, yeah. This is the movie version, right? So his hand's not gonna be like ginormous. He still has a big hand, but it's not ginormous. Right here for the edge of the glove. Curve over here on this side. Curve over here. Smile. Barely right above the knuckle there. And we got a smile on that side. Right on. Okay, let's go over here into the side of the head over here. So slight zigzag line up that side. Slight zigzag, but not totally connected line on this side. Let's go draw the triangle of the ear. And with the triangle of the ear, it's an overall triangle, but I'm gonna have that zigzaggy texture to it because this is like the movie version, right? So it's gonna have that zigzaggy thing. Line here for the inside of the ear, line here for the inside. Zigzag down over here, zigzag down. And now I'm gonna go over here and you're gonna see like the peak right there. Right, you're gonna see the spike over there a bit. But it's gonna look more like a hill, right? Because it's like going straight back. Let's go over here to the left side, coming right from the ear area. Line over here. Line over here, in. Line over the stomach area. Line over here. And you see his line, kind of the, what do you call it, arm go down, right? And that's kind of it. That's pretty much where the poster ends. So we're gonna leave it like that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. We're gonna go into the color now. But yeah, thank you so much. Stick around for that, and I will talk to you next time, okay? Do me a favor, hit the like button if you did enjoy this, and hit the like on every video, and let me know. Thank you so much. Talk to you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.